Hello dear student, welcome to the DAV Mile Public School Sitasangi. I am your computer teacher and this is the standard 4th. Now in this video we will going to the practice on the editing in the writers where we see the use of delete and backspace key, undo and redo command, cut copy paste and find and replace option. Okay, so let's start. So let's see the delete key and backspace key. See, delete key means it erases to the right of the cursor. See, the cursor is here, and when we press the delete key, it will erase the word, the letters from the right of the cursor. Okay, so this is the delete key. But when cursor is here, we have to erase some dotted. So we use a backspace key. It erases to the left of the cursor in this way. Okay, so in this way we use the delete key and backspace key. Now let's see the undo and redo command. The undo command is used to undo, means reverse the last action or steps taken in any document, or to bring back to the last text. Let's see, here is the undo command. When we press undo, see, control, we can use the shortcut keys. That is, shortcut key is control plus Z. See here, I will press the control plus G. It will reverse, means it will reverse back the last action. Okay, I will press it. See, the dotted are moves, means I will take the reverse action. Okay, so in this way we use the undo commands, and we use a redo command as the opposite of the undo command. We press here, this is the undo command, redo command. When we press it here, so we see the dotted are back again. Okay, so in this way we see the undo and redo commands. Now let's discuss about the cut, copy, paste. So let's see what are these. So cut means it removes the selected text from the current location and temporarily places it on the clipboard. And in the copy, it copies the selected text and temporarily place it on the clipboard. Now the copied text exists at both the places, that is clipboard as well as the original file. And paste it gets text from the clipboard and places it at the desired position. So let's see how it works. But do you know what is clipboard? A clipboard is a temporary storage file in the computer's memory. So let's see how we can use the cut, copy, paste. There are three ways to use the cut, copy, paste. The first way is select from the menu bar, which is available in the edit menu. See here, this is the cut, copy and paste. And this another way is the shortcut menu. Okay, these are the placed on the standard toolbars. So this is the first, cut, copy and paste. These are the shortcut menu which is placed on the standard toolbar. And the third is the shortcut keys. We use the shortcut keys for the cut, copy and paste. The shortcut keys for the cut means control plus X. See here, CTRL plus X, it means cut. And for a copy, CTRL plus C, it uses for copy, and the CTRL plus V, it is used for paste. So it is cut, it is used for copy, and it is used for paste. So these are the shortcut keys for use the cut, copy, paste. So let's see how they work. So let's see the practical on that cut, copy, paste. See here, I have to remove this text from this place and paste it on this place. So first we have to select this text and then use this shortcut menu toolbar, and from the edit menu, or we can use the control plus X. So I will use the shortcut menu. Okay, shortcut keys, control plus X, that is shortcut keys for the cut, and I will place here where is my cursor is blinking there. Okay, so I will paste here. See, I will cut this text line from this position and I will paste it on this position. Okay, so this is the way to cut the text from the one location to paste it on the another position. So let's see what is the copy, how it will be done. Okay, so first select the copy text, and I have to same text will be copy and paste it on the here. Okay, so I will first select this and control plus C. I will press control plus C for the copy and I will place it here. So in this way we use, and in both cases cut and copy paste, we use the paste for it gets the text from the clipboard and place it at the desired position. So in this way use the cut, copy and paste. Okay, now let's see how the use of find and replace option. Find and replace option is used to look for a particular word in the document and replace it with the desired word. So let's see how it will use. See here, I will write here some lines. Okay, and see these red lines are underlined in the words, which means it will misspelled. Okay, so we have to correct it. So for that we have to use some find and replace option from the edit menu. See, click on the edit menu and you will be find these options. Okay, find and replace. Click on it and right here search for. You have to search for the wrong word. Okay, I will write here, and after that replace with the correct spelling. The correct spelling is synthesis. So I will write here, and you can click on the replace or replace all. Replace, the only one word will be replaced from the paragraph, and the replace all, the whole paragraph will be changed where it needed. Okay, so I will choose the replace all. See here, the 2 times it will replaced. Okay, so in this way we will replace all the misspelled by using the find and replace option. Okay, so in this way we see how to use the delete and backspace, and how to use the use, undo and redo commands, and how we can use to cut, copy and paste, and the uses of find and replace options. Okay, in the next video we will going to discuss about the internet. What is internet as a pool of information. Okay, till then have a good day. Thank you.